We found another one, but this time, it's different. This isn't just another Earth-like planet lost in the depths of space. This is Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to Earth. And if humanity is ever going to reach another world in our lifetime, this is it. In 2016, astronomers made a discovery that would change everything. Using the radial velocity method, the pale red dot campaign detected a tiny wobble in our nearest star, Proxima Centauri. That wobble revealed something extraordinary, a planet, not just any planet, but an Earth-sized world orbiting in the habitable zone. At just 424 light-years away, Proxima Centauri b became the closest known exoplanet to Earth. To put that in perspective, if Earth were in New York, Proxima b would be in Los Angeles. In cosmic terms, it's practically next door. So what is Proxima Centauri b? It's a rocky planet slightly larger than Earth, about 1.07 Earth masses. It orbits its star every 11.2 days, which means a year on Proxima b is less than 2 weeks. But here's where things get interesting. Proxima b is tidally locked. One side permanently faces the star in eternal daylight, the other side frozen in perpetual darkness. The only habitable zone would be the twilight ring between these two extremes, a narrow band where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. The planet sits in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star much smaller and cooler than our sun. But don't let that fool you. This star is violent. In 2017, scientists discovered the dark side of Proxima Centauri. This red dwarf is incredibly active. It produces massive stellar flares and coronal mass ejections that bombard Proxima b with radiation. We're talking about 100 times more X-ray radiation than Earth receives from the sun. These flares aren't just dangerous, they're potentially catastrophic. Studies suggest that Proxima b may have already lost its atmosphere due to stellar wind stripping. Without an atmosphere, the surface would be a radiation-blasted wasteland, completely inhospitable to life as we know it. But in 2019, researchers found a glimmer of hope. New models suggested that Proxima b might have a magnetic field comparable to Earth's. If true, this magnetic shield could protect the planet from stellar radiation and help retain an atmosphere. The question is, does it actually have one? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. In 2024, JWST turned its powerful infrared eyes toward Proxima Centauri b, searching for signs of an atmosphere. The results? Complicated. If Proxima b has an atmosphere, it's likely dominated by carbon dioxide, with a surface pressure similar to Earth's. But JWST's observations also suggest that the atmosphere, if it exists, is thin, very thin. The jury is still out on whether this planet has enough atmospheric protection to support liquid water, let alone life. The debate continues. Some scientists believe Proxima b is a barren, radiation-scorched rock. Others argue that a strong magnetic field and the right atmospheric composition could make it habitable. We simply don't know yet. But here's where Proxima Centauri b becomes more than just a scientific curiosity. It becomes a destination. In 2016, the Breakthrough Starshot initiative proposed something audacious. Send a fleet of tiny, light-propelled spacecraft to Proxima Centauri b. The concept is revolutionary. Using a massive ground-based laser array, we would accelerate postage stamp-sized spacecraft, called starships, to 20% the speed of light. At that speed, they could reach Proxima b in just 20 years. Add another 4 years for the signal to return to Earth, and we could have close-up images and data from another world within a single human lifetime. The challenges are immense. We'd need to develop laser technology capable of propelling objects to relativistic speeds. The spacecraft would need to survive impacts from interstellar dust at 134 million miles per hour, and we'd need to miniaturize cameras, sensors, and communication systems to fit on a chip smaller than your phone. But if we succeed, we would take the first step toward becoming an interstellar species. Proxima Centauri b isn't just the closest exoplanet, it's humanity's first interstellar destination. So could we actually live on Proxima Centauri b? The honest answer, we don't know. If the planet has lost its atmosphere, it's a dead world, a radiation-blasted rock with no hope of supporting life. But if it has a strong magnetic field and a thick enough atmosphere, there might be a narrow habitable zone in the twilight ring between eternal day and eternal night. Even in the best-case scenario, Proxima b would be a harsh world, constant radiation, violent stellar flares, no day-night cycle, extreme temperature gradients. It would take extraordinary technology and human resilience to survive there. But here's what makes Proxima Centauri b special. It's reachable. For the first time in human history, we're talking about sending a mission to another star system. Not in centuries, but in decades. Whether or not we can live there, Proxima b represents something profound, the first step beyond our solar system. The closest world, the first destination, the beginning of humanity's journey to the stars. This is just the beginning. We're exploring every Earth-like world we've discovered, one planet at a time. Which exoplanet should we investigate next? Let us know in the comments below.